Moral values. Moral values are the good values taught to help people lead a disciplined life. Moral values include good habits such as honesty, helpfulness, integrity, respectfulness, love, hard work and compassion. Importance of moral values in a student's life. A student's life is full of challenging. This is a growing age wherein a person learns several lessons each day. The lessons learned during this age stay with us for the rest of our lives. It is thus important to help the students inculcate good moral values. After all, they are the future of the nation. Children with good moral values grow up to become responsible youth. Those who are devoid of good values do not only spoil their lives as they grow older but are also a threat to the society. Imbibing good moral values in students. Parents as well as teachers must put in special efforts to help students imbibe good moral values. Children are quite observant. Most of the things they learn in life is by observing their teachers, parents and elder siblings. They pay more heed to the way their elders act and behave and imbibe the same rather than what they are instructed to do. For instance, they will be inspired to speak the truth if they see their elders doing the same. On the other hand, if they are repeatedly asked to speak the truth but see their elders doing otherwise, they too shall be tempted to lie. It is thus the responsibility of the parents and teachers to behave properly to demonstrate good values so that the children inculcate the same. They must inspire the students to be polite, help others, speak the truth, be compassionate and take up responsibilities with pleasure. Schools must also focus on imparting moral values to the students by way of good moral stories and lessons rather than merely lecturing them on the same. Evil practices and bad habits must be condemned so that the students stay away from them. Inculcating good moral values in students is as important as teaching them other subjects. Moral values in today's generation. Times are changing and the mindset of people is changing with time. While it is good to move with the time, however, moving away from one's roots and moral values is not a good thing. Today's generation is not as conscious about being morally and ethically correct as the earlier ones. They have a different outlook towards life. Indulging in frivolous act, lying for their benefit, smoking, drinking and having drugs is a common sight these days. While this was considered a taboo a few decades back, youth these days indulges in the same without any inhibitions. Most of this can be attributed to the influence of the Western culture. Besides, parents these days have also become extremely busy in their lives that they hardly get time to spend with their children and teach them what is right and wrong. Conclusion. A person must bear good moral values such as honesty, helping nature, decency, righteousness and self-discipline. Such a person is an asset to the society.